What is up YouTube? Welcome back to the AlphaFX Academy. So recently gold has been acting a little bipolar because it's moving sideways and pulling down everyone's trousers on the market, including myself, because I have had 2 or 3 losing trades. Now this shouldn't be a problem because it should never affect the overall profitability. So I think it's time to move on and focus on the future. And I think we're finally out of the woods because I spotted something on the market structure. So if you're interested about the latest analysis and forecast, stay tuned, it's coming. Right, current time is 10 AM UK time and price on the 1 hour chart is levitating at 1859 area. Previously price broke through this important resistance level with an impulse move to the upside, which turns out was a short squeeze and then pulled back immediately below this level, invalidating the previous higher lows and rejecting the market structure. And every impulse move is followed by a retracement, which you can currently see that the price is so far respecting the Fibonacci 50% level. So I sent out a short analysis to my team that from current price level, you can start shorting price target or profit target should be at around 1830, 1834 area. Stop loss, place it around 1866, maybe a little bit higher, leave some room to wiggle because you never know when price on the gold market is going to whiplash and hit all of the stop losses. So as you can see, short term, I'm bearish on gold because we haven't retraced and haven't collected liquidity from this important resistance level. And if I just zoom out in the chart, you can see that this price level of 1830, 1834 area was an important resistance level for many months because price massaged it and retested it multiple times and failed to break above. And it was a foundation for many dumps, for example, the flash crash back in August 2021. But finally, price broke out with an impulse move to the upside, but we haven't seen a reasonable retracement, and I still believe that price should come back to collect all the liquidity and retest this important resistance level the sooner or later. And as soon as it does, I'm expecting price or this resistance level to act as a strong foundation for support level, which will help price to go back all the way to 1900s. So if you go back down to the 1 hour time frame, I'm short from this price level, take profit at 1832, 1834. But even if price hits 1835, I would advise to lock in as much profit as possible. And when price comes back down to this level, that's when you have to start looking for long opportunities. If I just delete the short position, add the long position, a stop loss should be placed at around 1827 if you look left on the chart. But even you can place stop loss a little bit lower because the previous high low on the higher time frame was at 1823. So if you have that much ability, place your stop loss a little bit lower just to have a peace of mind. First take profit level should be obviously the previous low and then the previous high. So first take profit at 1849, second is at 1873, and the ultimate price target is 1900 if this plays out. But what if this scenario fails and price comes back to this main bullish trend line on a higher time frame? Because very well it has the opportunity or the possibility that price could invalidate 1823 price level, come a little bit lower, but that's when we have to look for short opportunities. So if price invalidates 1825, 1823, then we have to wait an impulse move which breaks this level, then a retest, then sell all the way to 1780. Now if you look in the chart, both to the upside and to the downside, we have hundreds of pips profit potential. Downside 543 pips, upside is about the same, 650 pips. So whichever direction is gold price is going to move, we have opportunity to buy and sell. All we have to do is look for price action and look for hints on a smaller time frame. But right now, as I mentioned before, currently I'm selling all the way from this price level 1820, 1859. Take profit at 1835, and then I'm going to look for long opportunities right here. Stop loss is at 1827, but you can place it below the previous low. I'm using a really tiny stop loss because if it fails or if it hits my stop loss, then I'm going to re-enter a little bit lower at around 1823 and using an even tighter stop loss. But I'm curious, what's your opinion on the gold market? Do you think gold is going to find support at 1830 and go all the way up to 1900? Or is it going to melt down to 1780? I'm curious to find out your opinion, so leave a comment under the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. This is the AlphaFX.